In this video, I'll guide you through the process of installing APK files on a Windows 11 PC. To run Android applications on Windows 11, we'll be using the Windows Subsystem for Android WSA. Before we get started, it's important to ensure that your system meets the necessary requirements. To check if virtualization is enabled, press CRL plus Shift plus ASC to open the Task Manager. Go to the Performance tab and look for the virtualization option in the bottom right corner. If it's enabled, you're good to proceed. If not, you'll need to enable it from your BIOS settings. The next step is to enable the Virtual Machine Platform feature in Windows. To enable it, search for Windows Features in the Start menu and Turn Windows Features on or off. In the window that appears, scroll down and check the box next to Virtual Machine Platform. Additionally, make sure that the Windows Hypervisor platform is also enabled, as it helps with the virtualization process. Click OK and restart your computer to apply the changes. These settings ensure that your system is ready to run virtualized Android apps. With virtualization enabled, your computer is now ready for WSA installation. We'll be downloading WSA from GitHub. Open the GitHub page, scroll down to find the latest stable release for Windows 11, and download the second link from the bottom, as this version includes the Google Play Store along with WSA. Once the download is complete, extract the zip file using software like WinRAR. Open the extracted folder and double-click the Run file. The installation will start automatically and may take a few minutes. During the installation, WSA will set up the necessary virtual environment and install essential components that allow Android apps to run on your system. After installation is complete, both Windows Subsystem for Android and the Google Play Store will be installed. Open the Play Store app and sign in using your Google account. From here, you can install Android apps just like you would on any Android device. To sideload APK files, you'll need to enable developer mode in WSA. Open Windows Subsystem for Android from the Start menu, go to Advanced Settings and enable developer mode. Click on Manage Developer Settings and turn on USB debugging. USB debugging allows your computer to communicate with the Android environment, making it possible to install third-party APK files manually. Make sure your firewall or antivirus software isn't blocking WSA from establishing a connection. Next, download the WSA Pacman tool from the GitHub page. This tool provides a graphical interface to install APK files easily. WSA Pacman acts as a bridge between Windows and Android, simplifying the APK installation process without needing to use command line tools like ADB. Download and install WSA Pacman, then launch the tool. If everything is set up correctly, you will see a notification that your device is connected. To install an APK file, simply double-click the APK file. The installation will proceed just like any other Windows application. You can also create desktop shortcuts for your installed apps to access them easily. This makes launching Android apps as convenient as opening any other software on your computer. The apps will run in their own windows, allowing you to multitask between Android and Windows applications seamlessly. To uninstall an Android app, go to Windows Settings, then Apps, and select Apps and Features. Find the app from the list and click Uninstall. Regularly updating WSA and WSA Pacman will ensure compatibility with the latest Android apps and improve performance. That's how you can install and run Android apps on your Windows 11 PC using Windows Subsystem for Android.